How can a robot understand the grammatical structure of language? Example, verbs, nouns, and spatial propositions through a developmentally plausible approach. Let's imagine the situation where the robot is required to raise the red bottle near the box. The robot needs to ground parts of speech in visual perception in order to learn the meaning of the words, the action verb, and the color, referent, preposition, and landmark referring words. In this paper, we propose a computational unsupervised framework composed of the following subsystems: skeleton tracking system and HMM-based gesture model, which models position coordinates of the human arm joints while manipulating objects so as to allow the robot to ground action verbs. Object segmentation model, which segments objects into separate 3D point clouds. Each point cloud is characterized in terms of its RGB color histogram and the viewpoint feature histogram descriptor to represent object geometry. Part of speech tagging model, which assigns a numerical syntactic tag to each word in a sentence, and the learning model tries to ground the meaning of these tags through visual perception. Multimodal probabilistic generative model, which learns information from the different modalities so as to allow the robot to understand an instruction autonomously. This slide illustrates the different parts of the system that allow the robot to understand spatial language. The HMM-based gesture model, the HMM-based part of speech tagging model, the object segmentation model, and the probabilistic generative model composed of 4 channels. This last slide shows some results for grounding syntactic categories of speech through visual perception, so as to allow the robot to raise the red bottle beside the box. The figure to the right shows that the system was able to learn the meaning of spatial propositions and spatial relationships between the referent and the landmark successfully. Besides, the figure below shows the probability distribution of words over the different modalities, where the dark blue color represents high probability. This figure shows that the patterns of data in the 4 modalities were highly distinctive among each other and appropriately clustered. Thanks for your attention.